Onboarding on AI for your business integration and leveraging software development? Artificial intelligence or AI is revolutionizing industries across the globe. In its broadest sense, is intelligence exhibited by machines, particularly computer systems that enable machines to perceive their environment and uses learning and intelligence to take actions that maximize their chances of achieving defined goals. Isn't it interesting? Now, be sure to finish this video because the last one will blow your mind. This is the Cloud's Guru and these are the top 5 AI tools you have to consider about. Top 5. Azure AI. Developer, Microsoft. Azure AI is a suite of AI services including cognitive services, machine learning, and bot services. Features, pre-built AI models, for example, vision, speech, language, custom ML model development, Azure ML Studio, integration with Azure ecosystem. Pros, broad range of AI and ML services. Strong enterprise support and security, integration with other Microsoft services. Cons, can be expensive for large-scale projects. Complexity in navigating multiple services. Azure dependency. Pricing, pay as you go based on usage, for example, API calls, and compute hours. Detailed pricing is available on the Azure AI pricing page. Top 4. Google Vertex AI. Developer, Google Cloud. Google Vertex AI is a unified platform for developing and deploying ML models. Features, AutoML, pre-built algorithms, managed Jupyter notebooks, model monitoring, and feature store. Pros, strong integration with Google Cloud services. AutoML capabilities simplify model building and scalability and advanced ML tools. Cons, pricing complexity. Learning curve for full utilization and heavily tied to Google Cloud ecosystem. Pricing, variable based on services used, for example, training, prediction, storage. Google provides a pricing calculator for Vertex AI on their website. Top 3. Amazon SageMaker. Developer, Amazon Web Services or AWS. Amazon SageMaker is an end-to-end machine learning service to build, train, and deploy models. Features, integrated Jupyter notebooks, built-in algorithms, automated model tuning, model deployment, and management. Pros, comprehensive suite for ML lifecycle management. Scalable infrastructure with AWS integration and support for multiple ML frameworks. Cons, can be complex for beginners. Costs can add up with extensive usage and dependent on AWS ecosystem. Pricing. Pay-as-you-go model. Charges for instance types used for notebooks, training, hosting, and data storage. Specific pricing details are available on the AWS SageMaker pricing page. Top 2. ChatGPT. Developer, OpenAI. ChatGPT was created to be a compact version of the beacon of innovation in the field of conversational AI and it is designed with cloud computing in mind. Features. Large language model capabilities, API access, fine-tuning options, interactive chat interfaces. Pros. Advanced language understanding and generation. Versatile applications, for example, content creation, customer support. Easy integration via API. Cons. Expensive for large-scale usage. Potential for generating incorrect or biased content. Requires careful handling to ensure ethical use. Pricing. Varies based on usage, typically charged per token in input or output. OpenAI offers different pricing tiers based on the model and level of usage, for example, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Top 1. Amazon Bedrock. Developer, Amazon Web Services or AWS. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service for building and scaling generative AI applications using pre-trained models. Features, access to foundation models from AWS and partners, customization capabilities, integration with other AWS services. Pros, simplifies building generative AI applications. Access to high-quality pre-trained models. Seamless integration with AWS infrastructure. Cons, early-stage service with evolving features. AWS ecosystem dependency. Potential cost implications for large-scale use. Pricing. Details may vary as the service evolves. typically involves charges for model usage, customization, and compute resources. Specific pricing details can be found on the AWS Bedrock pricing page. These tools and services cater to a variety of AI and ML needs, from simple API-based interactions to complex end-to-end ML lifecycle management, making them suitable for different types of users and use cases. But why use these tools? How is Azure AI and Vertex AI differ from each other, or Bedrock to SageMaker? And even ChatGPT on its own? Azure AI offers diverse AI and cognitive services with deep integration into Microsoft products, while Vertex AI focuses on streamlined ML model development and deployment, featuring robust auto-ML capabilities within Google Cloud. Conversely, SageMaker is designed for cases requiring deep customization and model fine-tuning, providing granular control over the training process. While Bedrock prioritizes convenience and speed, SageMaker emphasizes flexibility and control, albeit with more setup and management requirements. Ultimately, ChatGPT, specifically designed for generative AI in natural language processing, excels at creating human-like text. In contrast, Vertex AI, SageMaker, Bedrock, and Azure AI offer broader platforms for building, training, and deploying various generative AI models across multiple domains. So, what AI are you most interested about? Comment down below your thoughts and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.